Wagwan guys, hello beautiful people.
Yeah, so right in this video, I know you might be wondering how I got to do these beautiful styles, and this is the regular, like you all know, the flat twist. Yeah, it can serve as your protective styles. And guys, I will just show you how I achieved this beautiful hairstyle and how gorgeous it came out to look. Yeah, the outcome was awesome, like you can see. So guys, just come closer and just few minutes of your time, then I'll show you the end result of this hair and how you can also do this for yourself, guys. Yeah, so come along with me. Yeah, so for me to get a very smooth and silky look, yeah, I need to apply some gel. Yeah, so these are just application of some gel to make the hair slick down. So you can also apply it, and it's just your preference. Yeah, so you can also do that, and you can keep watching this video because I'm sure you're going to love how and learn how to do your twist. Yeah, flat twist. So after applying, I make sure I smooth it and or brush a little bit down with my tail or tooth comb, and then I start with my twisting. Yeah, so basically for you to achieve a smooth and beautiful tight, yeah, not like tight from your scalp, I mean something that would last you for days. Yeah, so you need just your fingers basically, and one of your finger is just there, your index finger. Yeah, I hope I'm right. Yeah, so and the other one you just use it to twist all over. Yeah, so I don't know, but everything is well, you can see it in the video, which will show you a better explanation. Yeah, so and that is it. So you need to twist down to the end of the hair. Yeah, and then your flat twist is almost ready. Yeah, so this is one part of the side twist, and you can see how big and chunky, yeah, how chunky it is. And when I started this style, I didn't know what exactly to do with it. Yeah, of course it serves as my protective hairstyle sometimes. So but as I go on with it, ideas came in. You know, you have to be creative in all that you do. And anyways, let's move to the other side. So we'll do the same thing at the other side. I hope this is clearer, you know, for you to get what you need on how to flat twist your hair, guys. Yeah, so you just the same way. So I'm trying to flatten my hair, and here, so here I'm going in with one of my finger in between the hairs, the two strands of hair I picked, and using the other hand to twist the hair backward. Yeah, so the index finger goes into the hairs, yes, the hair strands, and the other one brings the twist together and crossover, and then the other finger goes in between the hair to pick another strand of hair, and then the other hand twist the hair backwards, and so on and so forth, right guys? So guys, so that is how you can do your flat twist in short word. Yeah, in short explanation. Yeah, but I know this video would let you know what exactly you should do and how you to do it. So at the end of this video, I would like you to rate this hairstyle. Yeah, not just your regular flat twist. I would like you to rate this hairstyle over 10. Yeah, from 1 to 10. And let's see the best rates, guys. Thank you. See how these braids or this twist are looking so fluffy? Yeah, I don't know if I should call it a fluffy flat twist. Hefty. What do you think? Okay, so right now I'm going into the creativity of what I thought about, right? And this is it. I've got this pins for a while now, and it's just been in my lock, yeah. And I've been wondering what to do with it. Of course, before I purchased, I had an idea of what to do with it, and after some time, like I was not just doing anything about it, so I just kept it. And on this beautiful day, the idea returned, and I just thought of, okay, let me do this and let me see how it will look. And it was looking beautiful, right? Yeah, the pins are beautiful, and applying it to the hair also makes it look more beautiful. Yeah, it could also act as a hair accessories. Yeah, depending on individual, depending on what you want, depending on how crazy you want to look. Yeah, so it came with different colors, different bright beautiful colors, like you can see in this picture. Although they are little, they are not too big, and they are small, well, they still serve the purpose. Yeah, that's what I feel. That's what I feel. They still serve the purpose of what they should serve. And this was it. This was it. And this was me applying it to the hair from the beginning to the end, and it was looking so beautiful, guys. It was looking so beautiful. Do you know this hair? I took it for about 2 days. I mean, with the pins. Yeah, the pins was, I think, for the day of the second day, but the hair was still there for some days. Yeah. And I was like, wow, this came out even really beautiful, more beautiful than I thought it would. And while I was almost done with this also, I just thought of what can I do to just add more beauty to this hair, so that even it will just not look like just protective styles alone. You can go out or go, for occasions, or even on this hair. So I decided to add some little extensions, curls to the hands, like, which give this kind of pigtail like hairstyle. Yeah, so guys, this hairstyle is so easy. Trust me, you can do this for yourself. And let me know what you love about it. And if you have a longer hair, forget it. You'll be looking so pretty. Yeah, so thank you for watching.
Ciao.